For decades, the rigid 12-gallon wet-dry vacuum has been a regular on the job site. The 5.0 peak horsepower motor provides the power and performance you've come to expect from rigid wet-dry vacs. This 2-in-1 combo does it all as a handheld, high-performing vac and a leaf blower. Packing a 5.0 horsepower motor, the head of this vac detaches from the drum and cleans debris from your decks and driveways. And rugged casters allow for easy maneuverability. Flip the latches and the lid quickly detaches from the drum. To change the patented quick lock filter, simply snap on and off for easy cleaning or replacement. And the built-in handles that make dumping easier. The large drain makes water removal effortless. The 8-foot locking pro hose that won't pull loose during use is more flexible to resist kinks and is 4 times more durable than a standard hose. The caster feet provide onboard storage for the 2 extension wands, utility nozzle, and car nozzle, keeping them close at hand. Every day, you'll use the 12-gallon with confidence, be it inside or outside of the home. It comes with Rigid's industry-leading limited lifetime warranty that gives you peace of mind. The Rigid 12-gallon 2-in-1 vac and blower is power, performance, and durability in one package.
Everybody knows that small Stanley wet-dry vacuums are great for small messes, but they're built to take on the bigger messes too, making it perfect for picking up pet hair, drywall dust, debris, and more. That's not even the half of it. Remove the blue cloth filter and/or dust bag, attach the foam filter, and you're ready to pick up all those spills that would normally take up an entire roll of paper towels. Don't cry over spilled milk. Clean it up quick with a Stanley wet-dry vacuum. Many Stanley wet-dry vacuums feature a high-performance blower port perfect for blowing leaves off the patio. You can even use the inflator kit to turn your vacuum into a custom tool for quickly inflating your air mattress. What about cold ash cleanup? Well, the Stanley Ash Vac is just the tool you need to clean out your fireplace, grill, and bonfire.
Innovation. That's what makes VacMaster different. From the beginning, we questioned everything about what superior performance meant in a wet-dry vac. And we found that what both pros and homeowners really want is faster, cleaner, easier, quieter. Simply put, mastery over any mess, big or small. So where others chose to settle, VacMaster chose to reinvent the wet-dry vac category to build something better. We built in unrivaled airflow technology, re-engineered for more suction and speed, redesigned every detail for more convenient use. Because true mastery is many things in harmony, and that's where VacMaster excels. The result isn't just another wet-dry vac, it's unprecedented suction power and performance. It's award-winning, industry-leading, and no one else can offer what VacMaster pioneered. Innovative solutions to master any mess.
For the hard surfaces in your home, you need a one-step cleaning device that delivers a better clean. The Bissell Crosswave lets you vacuum and wash your floors at the same time, delivering a deeper, everyday clean in less time. Crosswave washes your floors using a revolutionary cleaning solution, leaving your floors smelling fresh and looking clean. Crosswave's dual-action multi-surface brush roll uses microfiber to mop floors, while nylon bristles scrub and pick up debris. The Smart Clean fingertip controls lets you dispense just the right amount of formula for whichever floor you're cleaning. The 2-tank technology lets you consistently clean with fresh solution while recovering dirty water and debris from your floors. Once finished, just pour out the dirty tank contents for quick cleanup. A convenient way to clean the product is using the Easy Clean storage tray, which allows you to clean the brush roll, window, and air path in a few simple steps. And for easy maintenance, the Crosswave includes an easy remove brush window and a removable brush roll for convenient cleaning. Ditch the mop and bucket. Vacuum and wash your hard floors at the same time with Crosswave from Bissell.
Hi, I'm Mike, and this beauty is the Workshop stainless steel 16-gallon wet-dry vac. You're a handsome devil, aren't you? Oh, wait, that's me. Not only does this vacuum sport a professional appearance, but it has the power and capacity to take on the toughest jobs. 266 max air watts and a 6.5 peak horsepower motor can pick up a gallon of water a second. Really? Really. The 7-foot hose has dual flex technology, resists collapsing, and adds 180-degree flexibility at both hose ends. Oh, did I forget to mention? The hose has a 2.5-inch diameter, which makes it 350% larger than some competitors, like this fella. Oh, that's embarrassing. But not only does it easily lock into place when vacuuming, but attach it to the blowing port, and it transitions from a vacuum into a blower. The extended handle with the bag helps keep accessories within reach, but it also works with the large rear wheels to maneuver over thresholds and stairs easier. And let's face it, we all love it when the job's easier. The large carry handle doubles as a cord wrap for the 20-foot power cord. You'll never have to search for the power switch. It's right up front. The lid quickly detaches from the drum to change the quick lock filter that easily snaps on and off without tools. And included is a fine dust filter that traps debris like drywall dust or baby powder or cookie crumbs to hide the evidence. And just like with every workshop product, the motor is among the longest lasting in the industry. That's why we confidently back our products up with the workshop 5-year limited warranty, best customer service in business. Suck it up, get it done. Workshop.